probably should take the original and frame it and hang it on the wall. It was my husband's grandmother's, but she only made like 40 puffs for Christmas get together. The first time that I came to Christmas was before my husband and I got married. It was the first time I had had puffs, and I only had like one, and then they were gone. And then she made puffs for numerous years, and if you didn't get in there and get puffs when they got opened, you didn't get one. So then my mother-in-law made puffs for a while, and there still wasn't enough. And then it got to be my job to make puffs. And Grandma had, I think, 1.5 the recipes here. And then I tripled it. I 6 times the recipe. Then I 8 times the recipe. And it makes about 400 puffs. When we all get together, I want puffs left over so I can have puffs for breakfast for a week after Christmas. But it's a must-have. It's not Christmas. My kids will tell you it's not Christmas if we don't have puffs. I don't think they've ever had a Christmas that they didn't have puffs. But originally, the recipe was for clam puffs, but we used chicken. Okay, I'm making the 8 times recipe. I gotta put all these in there. I'm gonna turn my burner on. Okay, get that all melted and up to a almost boil. I haven't got hot enough yet. You only want to use a wooden spoon with this recipe. And I'm not kidding. Only a wooden spoon. This spoon is a designated spoon for chicken puffs only. We tried it in the stand mixer one year. It didn't work. I've stirred it with a stainless steel spoon. It doesn't work. The puffs don't puff. You have to do it with a wooden spoon. I'm going to get my 4 cups of flour ready. Yes, this recipe calls for 18 eggs. I have them out. I've had them out for maybe 30 minutes. They're not room temperature, but they don't have to be, but it helps. Okay, turn the burner off. Add the flour all at once. And start stirring. Okay. Now the fun part begins.
What?
The fun part.
Mm.
One egg at a time.
Yes.
Stir until it's mixed up. It gets really slimy. My arm gets wore out. My husband has to help usually. Okay. Oh. This means a big job. It's a big batch. Tell me. It's your turn. Okay, I'm going to continue on, turn off the camera, because that's all I'm going to be doing, is adding eggs after egg, after egg, after egg. Woohoo! Woohoo! Last egg. My arm's about to give out. See how it all separates? It's really hard to get them incorporated. Especially when your arm gets tired. Okay, I think we're there. Okay. That's about how big they are. Bring it a little closer here. You want the little balls to be about the size of a nickel. I will be baking for the rest of the day because they take about 20 minutes per cookie sheet, and only one cookie sheet. You can't layer them in the oven because the bottom one will get too done and the top one won't be done. In my oven anyway. I have my oven preheating with my thermometer in there. And when it gets to 350, I'll put them in. 20 minutes. That's what they look like. Packages of cream cheese softened in my big bowl. This is leftover turkey. I'm going to cut it up little bitty pieces. You can use canned chicken. You can use chicken breast, boiled, baked, whatever. Just okay. 1.5 teaspoons of salt. 18 dashes of Louisiana hot sauce. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And it might need more after I get all mixed up and taste of it. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And 1 teaspoon of garlic. Now you gotta start. I get a little bit. And I'm gonna taste of it. That's just perfect. I don't have to add anything else. It's a massive bowl. And then I have another big bowl. And now it's time to take each one, there's the bottom, and cut it almost in half where it'll open up. I'm going to cut every one of them in half, open. Okay. Open it up like a little Pac-Man and stuff it with the stuff. Open it up. Stuff it with the stuff. The kids always said they were Pac-Mans. And then, I keep them in the refrigerator. You can freeze them up to 4 months. Put them on a cookie sheet, freeze them, and then put them in a Ziploc bag. But before you eat them, stick them on a cookie sheet, put them in the oven at about, I don't know, 325, 350, and warm them up for a few minutes. We always warm up about half a cookie sheet of these and a half a cookie sheet of sausage balls at the same time. Oh, but there you have it. That is a chicken puff. Thanks for coming along with me on this little short video. I hope it's a short video, but it may be long because I've been at this. It's 6 o'clock now. Started at 10. And it'll take me a good while to get all these stuffed. I hope y'all have a Merry Christmas.